Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for high-end interior design inspirations and home decor trends. Today, we are exploring the sophisticated world of Parisian elegance, infused with the light, airy spirit of spring and Easter styling. Prepare to transform your living space into a chic sanctuary that balances timeless French classical elements with playful seasonal accents. Please remember to comment with your favorite tip, like this video, share it with fellow decor enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly inspiration. Elevate your living room by centering your Easter decor around a grand, gold-leaf Parisian floor mirror or mantelpiece. Drape a delicate garland of real eucalyptus and white anemones across the top frame for a natural touch. Nestled at the base, place a few ceramic white eggs and a single vintage brass rabbit to ground the seasonal theme. This arrangement blends 19th century opulence with the freshness of a French garden in bloom. Create a breathtaking dining experience by layering crisp white linen over a dark wood table to mimic a high-end bistro. Use vintage silverware and mismatched floral china to evoke a sense of inherited Parisian charm. In the center, place a low-profile arrangement of pale pink peonies and speckled quail eggs in a silver champagne bucket. Your guests will feel as though they have been transported to a sun-drenched apartment in the 8th arrondissement. Inject a playful yet refined pop of color into your kitchen by displaying glass apothecary jars filled with pastel-colored macarons. Choose shades of mint, lavender, and pale lemon to mirror the traditional colors of Easter and spring. Tie a thin velvet ribbon in a dusty rose hue around the neck of each jar for an extra touch of French flair. This simple styling trick provides both a visual treat and a delicious nod to Parisian patisserie culture. Repurpose a vintage wire birdcage by filling it with an overflowing mound of moss and spring bulbs like narcissus or lily of the valley. Place the cage on a marble-top side table next to a stack of linen-bound books. The contrast between the weathered metal and the delicate green life symbolizes the rebirth of the season. It serves as a poetic focal point that captures the Jardin aesthetic perfectly. Transform a simple white flowering branch into an Easter tree by hanging hand-painted eggs with long, flowing velvet ribbons. Ensure the ribbons are in muted tones like sage, cream, or antique gold to maintain a sophisticated palette. These branches look stunning when placed in a tall, slender crystal vase on a console table. The movement of the ribbons adds a soft, romantic kinetic energy to your entryway. Refresh your reading nook by draping a lightweight cashmere throw in a soft lavender shade over a classic Bergera chair. Add a small embroidered pillow featuring a subtle botanical or rabbit motif to celebrate the holiday discreetly. On the adjacent pedestal table, place a small silver tray with a single tulip in a bud vase. This creates a cozy, elegant vignette that invites you to lounge and enjoy the morning spring sun. Even if you don't live in Paris, you can mimic the iconic balcony look by attaching window boxes filled with white geraniums and trailing ivy. Tucked among the greenery, hide a few oversized stone eggs to give a nod to the Easter season. The combination of dark iron and vibrant white blooms offers that classic Rive Droit architectural contrast. This external styling ensures your home's elegance starts before anyone even walks through the door. Add a whimsical touch to your dining room chandelier by weaving in thin strands of willow or grapevine to create faux nests atop the arms. Place small, pale blue robin eggs inside these nests where they can catch the light from the bulbs. This unexpected placement draws the eye upward and makes use of existing architectural features for holiday storytelling. It is a subtle, elevated way to bring the outdoors inside without cluttering your surfaces. Set your Easter brunch table with napkins made of antique French lace or heavy stone-washed linen. Secure them with a simple twine loop and a fresh sprig of dried lavender tucked into the fold. This tactile detail adds a sensory layer to your decor through the faint, relaxing scent of Provence. It embodies the effortless je ne sais quoi that makes Parisian styling so coveted and timeless. Parisian style often leans into the power of a single floral variety, used en masse for a high-impact, clean look. Fill a large white ironstone pitcher with 3 dozen white tulips, allowing them to droop naturally over the sides. Place this on a sideboard alongside a collection of white porcelain rabbits of varying heights. The monochromatic white palette keeps the Easter theme feeling modern, expensive, and sophisticated. Introduce the classic bleu de France into your spring palette through velvet cushions or silk table runners. This specific shade of cornflower blue pairs beautifully with the warm whites and golds typically found in Parisian interiors. Scatter a few hand-dyed blue eggs in a wooden dough bowl to tie the color into the Easter celebration. It provides a regal yet refreshing alternative to the standard bright pastels of the season. Give standard garden pots a Parisian makeover by applying a weathered white or gray chalk paint finish. Plant these with fragrant hyacinths and top the soil with a layer of gray reindeer moss for a professional look. Line them up along a stone fireplace mantel or a deep windowsill to create a rhythmic floral display. The aged texture of the pots adds a sense of history and patina to your new spring growth. Use small gold-framed shadow boxes to display individual, intricately decorated eggs as if they were museum artifacts. Line the back of the boxes with toile de Jouy fabric for an unmistakably French backdrop. Arrange these boxes in a gallery wall format or lean them against a stack of vintage magazines. This treatment elevates the humble Easter egg into a piece of fine art suitable for an elegant home. Fill small linen pouches with dried herbs or treats, and stamp them with a fleur-de-lis or a simple rabbit silhouette. Place one on each guest's plate or hang them from the knobs of an antique armoire. These small tokens act as both decor and a thoughtful parting gift for your Easter visitors. The natural texture of the linen adds a rustic Côte d'Azur charm to your sophisticated city styling. Nothing says Parisian elegance like repurposing a vintage silver champagne bucket as a flower vase. Fill it with a lush mixture of white lilacs, ranunculus, and flowering cherry branches for height and drama. Set the bucket on a silver tray to protect your surfaces and add an extra layer of reflective glamour. This centerpiece is bold, fragrant, and serves as the perfect conversation starter for a spring gathering. Find a large, fallen branch and give it a light dusting of gold spray paint before mounting it horizontally on a focal wall. Hang delicate glass or porcelain eggs from the twigs using invisible fishing line to create a floating effect. This installation bridges the gap between modern art and traditional seasonal decor in a truly unique way. We hope these ideas inspire your home this season. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to Decorio Studio for more interior design inspiration.